In this video, you'll learn how to create a WordPress blog using AI. By following these steps, you will have your blog set up and ready to go in no time. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the website loads, you will see various options and features available for creating your site. Next, locate the section labeled Sites. This can typically be found in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Sites will direct you to a page where you can manage your existing sites or create a new one. After that, look for the button that says Create with AI. This option will allow you to leverage artificial intelligence in setting up your blog. Clicking this button will initiate the AI setup process. Once you click Create with AI, a message will appear stating that the foundations for your blog are being laid. This indicates that the AI is preparing to assist you in building your website. You will need to wait for the AI to load. During this time, a loading indicator may appear showing that the system is processing your request. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a few moments. After the loading is complete, a message will appear prompting you to make a website as unique as you. This is your cue to start customizing your blog according to your preferences. Now, type in Create WordPress blog post in the provided text box. This action will guide the AI to generate a blog post framework for you. Ensure you complete this step before moving on. Next, press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm your input. This will prompt the AI to begin crafting the initial content for your blog post. Following this, a message will appear indicating that WordPress.com can create your blog post. This confirms that the AI is ready to proceed with the content generation. Type in the choice given above when prompted. This will help the AI understand the theme or topic you want for your blog post. After entering your choice, click Enter again to submit your selection. The AI will then process this input to create the content tailored. Soon, a message will ask what your website should be called, which is the site title that will be displayed in the browser tab. This is an important step as it identifies your blog. Type in the name of your site in the designated field. Make sure it is unique and reflective of your blog's purpose, as this will be the first impression visitors will have. Once you've entered the name, click Enter again to proceed. This will confirm your choice and move you to the next step in the setup process. You will then see a message asking for a short tagline or description that should show in search results and social previews. This helps define what your blog is about. Type in a tagline that succinctly describes your blog's content and purpose. This is your chance to attract potential readers with a catchy and informative phrase. After entering your tagline, click Enter. This will finalize your tagline and prepare the system for the next step. Now, click on Create My Site. This action will initiate the final process of setting up your blog, allowing the AI to compile all the information you have provided. You will then see a message that says, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the AI is currently generating your blog based on the inputs you have given. Wait for the system to generate your blog. During this time, you may see progress indicators or messages. Be patient, as this may take a while, depending on server load and your internet connection. Finally, a message will appear indicating that the setup is complete. Your WordPress blog is now ready for you to customize and publish content as you see fit. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.